Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Pisces water sign for the month November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Pisces, let's see your messages for the week. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Four of Wands, Five of Cups, the Magician. For some, there is separation between you and your person right now. Yeah, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. You want this happiness with your person, or your person want this happiness with you, but something unexpected is happened between both of you was happened, and yeah, there is some separation. I think you are feeling very sad for the separation. Energy could be vice versa. So Magician, so one person in this connection is in Magician energy. They want you manifest their person back. I think it's you, Pisces, want your person back. You want your person back. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy. Yeah. For some, definitely there is separation. For some, there is no contact between both of you. Let's see some more. Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Five of Wands. Yeah, there are some disagreements between both of you. Five of Wands, some fighting, some drama. Someone is fighting for you, or you are going to fighting for someone attention. But I think your person may be acting like girded up. They don't want to invest in this connection anymore. They're showing like this. Yeah, one person is not expressing their feelings. I think it could be you or your person. That could be the reason for the separation for some, because one person in this connection is very stubborn. They're holding back their feelings even though they have feelings for the other person. But a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see some more. Death, Six of Wands, Nine of Swords. One person in this connection undergoing some spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Scorpio also. Six of Wands with Nine of Swords. I think you want success in this connection, Pisces, but you are unable to get what you want right now. You are in some anxiety, depression. You are thinking about a lot your person, especially at the night time. So you are unable to sleep. Yeah, but your person not expressing their feelings this time because they guarded up due to any reason between both of you. They are not expressing their feelings this time, but I think you are very sad for this separation. You want to your person back. You want success in this connection. So energy could be vice versa. Let's see some more. The Moon, Queen of Swords, and Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I think your person cut you off because your person is very straightforward and honest. They deserve best. If you don't offer what they deserve, definitely your person will cut you off. They did it also, and yeah, they stand by the power. I think it could be your person, because one person in this connection is very sad right now, but one person is stable. Energy could be vice versa. I think it could be your person. I'm getting they are very stable right now, emotionally and financially also. Definitely some secrets are hidden in this connection still. The Moon, some illusions, some disturbances between both of you. The Moon is here. You or your person could be Pisces also. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person near future actions and their current feelings. Then you will get more clarity about the situation. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. Six of Swords, Judgment, Princess of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work on their career and finances. I'm getting, because Nine of Pentacles and Princess of Pentacles, Judgment, and Six of Swords. Yeah, they want to move towards calm water, Judgment. Definitely your person will take a major decision, or already they made some major decision in their life. Princess of Pentacles, for some your person want to communicate you some communication. You will expect some communication from your person. Yeah, there is a chance for some communication. But for some you person right now working on their career, they're working very hardly towards their goals right now. So let's pull some cards from the the near future actions towards you. Your person near future actions towards you. Emperor. I think Sagittarius reading also got same cards. 4 cards common. Knight of Wands. 4 of Wands. Yeah. You both could be twin flames. 11 and 11. Yeah, definitely your person want this happiness with you. Knight of Wands with Emperor. But now they stand by their power. They want this happiness. Knight of Wands. Yeah, they want to come towards you, but they are holding back their feelings. They have lot of passion. For some you person want to communicate you, definitely they will take action. For some you person stand by their power right now. They want this happiness, but they are holding back. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Knight of Wands, definitely they are very attracted to you, and they are very lot of passion. For some definitely you will get some message from your person, and because Page of Pentacles, Knight of Wands is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Death. 4 of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, one person is not expressing their feelings, they are holding back. I think it's your person, Pisces. Ace of Swords. King of Wands. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, this connection right now undergoing some transformation. You both. Connection means you both. You both undergoing some transformation. So one person right now having hard time to express their feelings. They are unable to express their feeling due to any other reason. They are not expressing. I think it could be your person. But in near future some communication will open up in this connection. Ace of Swords is here. Definitely truth coming out, some communication. I think you are going to be approach your person. Definitely there is a chance for communication, Pisces, because one person stand by their power. I think it's your person right now. They stand by their power. I think some communication, some truth coming out is going to be happen in this connection. Yes. Ace of Swords, new beginnings also. Definitely some communication is the key here. I think you both will communicate in the month of November, Pisces. For some your person holding back their feelings. For some definitely you will get some communication from your person, and because Page of Pentacles is there. But most of you, definitely your person holding back their feelings this time. You have to approach your person if you want any communication. I am getting. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. 3 of Cups, 6 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Wow. If you are in separation, you want reconciliation with your person. The Lovers. Yeah. Gemini. You and your person could be Gemini also. Ace of Pentacles. Definitely you want to offer this long-term commitment to your person. 6 of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. 3 of Cups, celebration. Yeah. These two cards... Definitely reconciliation. You are waiting for reconciliation. If you are in separation, definitely Pisces, you want reconciliation with your person. You want your person back. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Knight of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, the Empress. See what I am saying, it's true, because your person is stand by their power. The Empress, King of Cups. They have emotions for you, but still they are holding back because 5 of Pentacles. In past you are showing some cold shouldering to your person. That's why this time your person not showing their feelings to you. They are holding back their feelings because they stand by their power. And Knight of Pentacles. Even you approach your person, they will come towards you. Absolutely, there is no doubt, but they are in very slow energy because Knight of Pentacles is here. Yeah, they are in very slow energy. This time where they are very slow and steady, they want to take a right step in life. Because in past there is some heartbreak also. I think it's your person. Definitely this time they want to protect their heart. So yeah, Pisces, if you are waiting for reconciliation, it is coming, but it is very slow because Knight of Pentacles, your person right now in this energy. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.